When it comes to tackling tough outdoor cleaning tasks, having the right tools can make all the difference. Electric pressure washers are an excellent choice for homeowners looking to clean everything from driveways and decks to vehicles and patio furniture with ease. In this video, we'll be reviewing the best electric pressure washers on the market, highlighting their features, performance, and what makes each one stand out. If you need powerful cleaning capabilities or a compact and portable design, there's a pressure washer here that fits your needs perfectly. Number 1. Westinghouse EPX3500 Electric Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse EPX3500 Electric Pressure Washer delivers powerful cleaning with up to 2,500 PSI, making it ideal for tough jobs like cleaning decks, driveways, and vehicles. Its compact, lightweight design with 360-degree steering wheels ensures easy portability and storage. With an automatic stop function and a 25 nylon-braided hose, this pressure washer offers both efficiency and durability. Key features: 2,500 max PSI with 1.76 gallons per minute, 17.5-inch pro-style steel wand with quick connect nozzles, compact and lightweight at 19 pounds, 360-degree steering wheels for easy maneuverability, automatic stop function to conserve energy, 25 nylon-braided hose. Number 2. PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer. The PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer offers exceptional cleaning power with up to 3,800 PSI, making it perfect for tackling even the toughest grime. Its snow foam lance ensures longer pump life by keeping chemicals away from the pump, allowing for effective use of various cleaning agents. With easy assembly and versatile pressure tips, this pressure washer is both powerful and user-friendly. Key features: 3,800 PSI with 2.4 gallons per minute, durable, maintenance-free, and core pump. Snow foam lance for direct foam application. Includes 4 universal pressure tips. Effortless assembly in minutes. Can suck water from a container. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN CRAFTSMAN Electric Pressure Washer. The CRAFTSMAN CRAFTSMAN Electric Pressure Washer delivers reliable performance with 1,700 PSI, making it ideal for everyday cleaning tasks. Its onboard storage keeps all accessories organized, while the 20-feet kink-resistant hose ensures long-lasting and hassle-free use. With an extended 35-feet power cord, this pressure washer offers excellent reach and convenience for various outdoor cleaning jobs. Key features: 1,700 max PSI with 1.2 gallons per minute, includes soap applicator bottle, onboard storage for accessories, 20 feet kink-resistant hose, 35 feet power cord for extended reach, CETA certified for quality assurance. Number 4. Joe SPX3000 Electric Pressure Washer. The Joe SPX3000 Electric Pressure Washer combines powerful performance with versatility, delivering 20-30 PSI to handle light to heavy-duty cleaning tasks with ease. Its dual detergent tanks and 5 quick connect spray tips make it adaptable for various jobs, from washing vehicles to cleaning patios. Built to last with high-quality materials, this pressure washer ensures reliable long-term use. Key features: 20-30 PSI with 1.2 gallons per minute, 5 quick connect spray tips, 34-inch stainless steel lance with brass fittings, dual onboard detergent tanks, lightweight at 24.3 pounds with rear wheels, includes 34-inch extension wand and 20-foot high-pressure hose. Number 5. Greenworks GPW1602 Electric Pressure Washer. The Greenworks GPW1602 Electric Pressure Washer offers a solid 1,600 PSI making it effective for cleaning various surfaces around your home. Its versatile design allows it to be used both vertically and horizontally, providing stability during use. With a 20 feet pressure hose and 35 feet power cord, this pressure washer ensures you can reach and clean large areas with ease. Key features: 1600 PSI with 1.2 gallons per minute, usable vertically or horizontally, 20 feet pressure hose, 35 feet power cord with GFCI, soap applicator with detergent bottle. Number 6. Karcher Electric Pressure Washer. The Karcher Electric Pressure Washer delivers a powerful 1700 PSI, making it ideal for thorough and efficient cleaning of various surfaces. It comes with a versatile quick connect wand and 3 spray nozzles, allowing you to tackle different cleaning tasks with ease. Lightweight and portable, this pressure washer features a 20-foot kink-resistant hose and a removable detergent tank for added convenience. Key features: 1700 PSI for powerful cleaning, quick connect wand with 3 spray nozzles, 20-foot kink-resistant hose, 0.5 gallon removable detergent tank, lightweight at 20.7 pounds with integrated aluminum frame. Number 7. RYOBI RY141820VNM Electric Pressure Washer. The RYOBI RY141820VNM Electric Pressure Washer offers a solid 1800 PSI, providing effective cleaning power for a variety of outdoor tasks. Its lightweight design at just 16 pounds makes it easy to maneuver, while the 20-foot hose gives you ample reach for cleaning large areas. With a durable corded electric power source, this pressure washer delivers reliable performance every time. Key features: 1800 PSI for powerful cleaning, turbo nozzle for 50% faster cleaning, onboard detergent tank, 25-foot high-pressure hose, lightweight at 16 pounds, 20-foot hose length. Thanks for watching our review of the best electric pressure washers on the market. We've explored a range of top-performing models, each offering unique features to tackle various outdoor cleaning tasks with ease and efficiency. If you need powerful pressure, versatile nozzles, or compact designs, there's a pressure washer here that fits your needs perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth reviews. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Happy cleaning!